Hey guys, what's going on? Ange here again for a speed run on the FTX CARNAGE. So I've got my GPS there ready to be strapped in, and today I'm going to be running a real small 3S battery, 1500 milliamp, Z power 120C on that one there. So that's going to be all hooked in. Hopefully trying to get about 80 kilometers on this. We'll see how we go. So I'm going to get it all plugged up, ready to go, and I'll see you outside. Alright guys, so I am outside. I have got everything hooked up. GPS is on 0. Going to hit record on that now. So that is recording. And we'll give this a run, see how we go. No one's coming. Oh, hold on. I've got to trim that up a little bit, I think. Let's go from this side. Good pass. All right, let's see what we've got. Oh, that's pretty good. 85 kilometers an hour. Yeah, that's nice. I'm happy with that. That is with that bigger pinion that I put in. I think, what I say, 26 tooth pinion upgrade on this little motor that I've got in it. It's just a 3650 motor. Oh, and there it goes. Didn't want to do that. Just punched on the throttle too quick. Drives really well, this Carnage. One of my favorite cars. Oh, and I've lost the pins from my body posts. Must be over here somewhere. They must have come off when it slid upside down. Let's see if I can find them. And that didn't take long at all. Already broke one of my homemade body posts. Oh well, what a shame. I have to buy some proper ones, I think. This thing wants to boogie, that's for sure. Especially when it's got that smaller battery in it too, it's much more lighter. Oh, dog, come on. Oh, there goes me cover. Oh, cover's fallen off. Alright guys, I think that's going to be the end of it for today. I've lost my pins again. I'll see if I can go back and find it. My whole body's come off, and those back ones there too. Alright guys, so I think that's going to be it for today. I am happy with that at 80, what do we got, 85 kilometers again. So we'll leave it at that. Gonna have to get some proper body posts for this. I think I'm gonna have to order some from a hobby shop. The homemade ones just aren't really holding up. They're just cheap plastic. They're not really strong when they take the impact. So thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.